this is a blanket stitch. You're gonna start at the tip, and then you're gonna go 1 stitch length out, just like that. Okay. Then you're gonna move 1 stitch length forward, but still out. So you're gonna wanna come up right about there. And then you're gonna come down back where you started. Okay, you may need to go just outside. Now, we've got a loop. We're gonna come up. So see, we've now stuck all 4 corners. So we're gonna come up, go through, okay, and then we're gonna go back up to the next corner. It's gonna make a loop. Gonna come through just like that. Then we're gonna go to the opposite corner. Then come up 1 stitch length forward, go under the loop, okay. Then we're gonna, from here we'll go to the opposite corner, and then bring our needle back up on the line. Okay, so now at the end, we're gonna do 1 more stitch where we go diagonal and down. And then we're gonna come back up at that corner. And we're gonna just go right to the outside. Same way we tack down these lazy daisies. We're just gonna go on the other side of the floss and pull it through to tack it down.